Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 2, Whole Numbers, Lesson 9. Open your packets to page 39 and follow along. So our vocabulary for today, our word is rounding. So we're going to be rounding whole numbers. What rounding means is replacing a number with another number that tells about how much or how many. So it's not the exact number, but rounding is about how much. So let's do our getting started here. So number 1, let's review. It says 645. So how many hundreds is that? Well, there's a 6 in the hundreds place, so we would write a 6. There are 4 tens, and there are 5 ones. When we talk about this next one, number 2, it says 24 rounded to the nearest 10 is. So let's look at the number line. We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 is right here on the number line. Well, remember in your gizmos lesson with the hill, if we made the hill, remember that the 5, the 25, and up is going to round up to 30. But 24 is only 1, 2, 3, 4 from 20. So that's less than 5. So it is closer to 20. So the nearest 10 for 24 is 20. Number 3, 784 rounded to the nearest 100. So here's 700 and here's 800. Well, if we go by 10, so 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 70, 80. So 784 is about right there in between those. Well, we can see very clearly that it is much closer to 800. In fact, it's only 16 tick marks away from 800, but it's 84 away from 700. So to the nearest 100 rounded, it is 800. It is rounded to 800, the nearest 100. And last one, number 4, 532 rounded to the nearest 100. So when we have the number, remember, we can look at the number right before it. Well, the 3 is closer to 5. It's less than 5. So since 3 is less than 5, this is going to stay. And then these two numbers are going to change to zeros because it's 500. But if the 3, let's pretend it was 562, well, the 6 is greater than 5. So that means that this would round up to 600. But since this 3 was less than 5, it's going to round down to 500. This says the cost of new bleachers for the playing field is $10,700. What is the cost of the new bleachers rounded to the nearest 1,000? So here's a number line. It starts down with 10,000 to 11,000 because this number is in between 10,000 and 11,000, so we want to figure out. So it says what 1,000 is to the left, so this way, of 10,700. Well, the nearest 1,000 is 10,000 to the left, and then to the right is 11,000. So write those in. Which 1,000 is closer to 10,700? Well, we can see from 10,700 to 11,000, it's 300, but from 10,700 to 10,000, it's 700. So the nearest 1,000 is 11,000. So what is 10,700 rounded to the nearest 1,000? 11,000 is what it is rounded to. So we would say the cost of the bleachers is about $11,000. So the first part says round each number to the nearest 10. So we think, and if you need to draw yourself a number line, you can always just draw one really quick. So for 97, we know 97 is in between 90 and 100. So 97 is here. And then remember, we look at the number before it. Well, that 7 is greater than 5, and it's only a jump of 3 to 100, but it's a jump of 7 down to 90. So the closest 10 is 100. Okay, the next one, we can just erase this really quick. And the next one, if we draw a quick number line, 63, we know it's between 60 and 70. Those are the two 10s that it's between. 63 is here. Well, remember, 65 is kind of that middle one. So 63, the 3 is less than 5. It's only a 3 jump there, but it's a 7 jump to 70. So rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. All right, this next one says round each number to the nearest 100. Well, 375, it's in between 300 and 400, and 375 is up here. Well, we look at the number right before it, and the 7 is greater than 5, so that means that it would round up to 400. So that's the nearest 100. And then this one, 515, is between 500 and 600. And 515, about right there. And we look at that number right after the 5, and it's a 1. Well, the 1 is less than 5, because remember, 5 is that middle part. 550 would be the middle. Well, 1 is less than this 5, the 15, so that means that it is closer to 500. So we would round it to 500. All right, let's read through this. Round whole numbers. So using symbols, round 357 to the nearest 100, you would write it. Identify and underline the digit in the place to be rounded. So we're going to round to the hundreds, so you underline that. Then circle the digit to the right of the underlined digit. So you circle the 5. Then it says if the digit to the right of the underlined digit is greater than or equal to 5, so that's what we've been talking about, that 5, round the underlined digit up one number and write zeros for the digits after it. If the digit to the right is less than 5, keep the digit being rounded the same and write zeros. So we would look here, 5 equals 5, so 357 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400, because that 5 makes it round up to the nearest 100. All right, you are going to try some of these on your own on page 41. So go ahead and go to page 41. Good luck.